Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I am back with my March sub box. Yay! So today is the 4th and I picked it up on the 3rd. I think it arrived on the 2nd, but these always arrive before the month starts. We have just, matter of fact, when I went and picked up mail yesterday, the gal told me, she said, no, we haven't even begun to catch up since the winter storm. So I'm just thankful that I have it. I'm thankful that it's here, and I'm excited to pull it out and get busy and work in it. So I'm moving everything kind of out of the way. And I'm going to wipe my surface down because I've been doing all these unboxings. And yep, you know it. Our post office, bless their hearts. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? Oh my goodness. So it says, March already. This collection is great for a transition month from winter to spring for both coffee and tea lovers. Oh yeah. The tweezers enclosed are anti-static, so they will work great on your planners or electronic devices. We hope you have an awesome month and keep healthy. Please share your creations and tag us. Dawn, Emily, and Katie. So that is DEK. So oh, look, we're going to get some of the washi dots. Oh, we've had these before. They were in the blues and grays. So these are so pretty. They're in the browns and greens, kind of that mocha feel, like tea or coffee. Yay. Okay. Ooh, washi tape. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, I'm setting the box down now. Oh, yeah. We gotta open this baby up. Love, love, love. Okay. So, gorgeous washi. So clearly this is going to be one of our colors. Ooh, let me see. Where's the end? Okay. And I think, yeah, it's going to be a little kind of like that see-through translucent, which I think is so pretty. Oh, so pretty. I've heard people call it frosted, and I've never thought of it like that, but that is a good term. Okay. And I guess I could open this up too. Let me see here. Okay. Alrighty. And that way you guys can see these colors better too. Hold on one second. Sorry for the noise. Okay, here we go. Ooh, aren't those pretty? And these, of course, are that washi as well. So they're thin rice paper. And that's what it was years ago. I don't know if they still use rice paper, but it's just a thin, more kind of like vellum or what's the word? Tracing paper? And interestingly enough, I was trying to get some plain vellum for printing on in my computer, and it kept taking me to tracing paper. You know, the tracing tablets we had when we were kids. So anyways, I think that's fun, and I do use it, and I think it's a great tool. But these are see-through like that. So I think these are really wonderful to play with. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, I've got the Rock Breathe. I had seen our social media directors opened her box because I just hadn't gotten. Yeah, I knew my box was stuck because of the snow and the weather and the being behind here in Texas, and so I peeked at her stuff, and so Ruth had. I don't think hers said Breathe. I can't remember what hers said, but it was a black one. It was so pretty. But I love this one. This is just. Oh, I love that. I can't wait. I can't wait to put that in my cottage. So the cottage is still in the process. My husband painted an oil paint in the warehouse, what we're calling the warehouse, the container, storage container that we're going to pack things up and load in there. And he literally opens it every day to air it out. It smells so heavily. I am highly allergic to oil paint. Highly. I can smell it from like the pasture. And because I asked him the other day, I said, "Were you painting out here?" And he goes, "No." Oh, that's a storage container. I was like, oh no. So anyways, bless his heart. He thought he was doing the right thing. Okay, so, ooh, look at this. Oops, I've got some of the confetti or whatever you want to call it, the scrunchies. Ooh, so soft, so beautiful. I love making flowers out of this. It's a specialty kind of foam that curls and is malleable, and oh, I just love it. So pretty, Dawn. So, so pretty. Thank you. And then, ooh, let's see what we have for the monthly. So this, I have my planner right there, back behind, and I'm going to come back and do a plan with me. Can't wait. All right, so this is March. Oh, I love that. Happy St. Patrick's Day, cell phone, vehicle payment, mortgage, payday, 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 rent, and all the four-leaf clovers and the hearts and the year. Love it, love it, love it. And then we have the top portion, which is so nice to have to set up your monthly. So I'm going to be using that. And I've also changed my subscription. I think my subscription now is a Happy Planner, and I've changed it to a Aura Estelle. So I'm super excited to see how that's going to work out. Okay, then we have some boxes for the monthly, so I'm excited. And then the sidebar, so super fun. Oops, I got it this way. Sidebar. And then just some quarter boxes, or this is half boxes, half, and then quarter, and then just some other boxes. That'll be fun on the monthly. And I love this. I think this is so pretty. The decoratives are so pretty. And I use a lot of these more in my journaling. I know. So, and then here are just planning session, rest day, currently reading, currently watching, listening, goals, and then bills due. I love that. Okay. If you guys don't know, this is like the most jam-packed kit when it comes to planning. It is crazy. And I use it not just for planning, but I also use it in my journal. So I do not, this is not just for a planner. I use it in my memory keeping. I use it in my journal, junk journal making. I use it in my journals. And yeah, so this is a great, great kit, the subscription box. And every month she gives us something with a beautiful flower on it. And that is gorgeous. I love that. So what I do is I just either take these off or I cut them off and I use those. And then inside is this. Let me see here. So she started giving us pockets at the turn of the year. And I love them because I use them in my junk journals. Ooh, look at that. Look at that piece of paper. Isn't that is gorgeous. It's like a finished cotton. It's so pretty. Ah, so pretty. Oh, look what was hiding behind it. And then that is gorgeous there. Oh, I love. So this is a pocket. You peel this off and voila, you've got it to stick in your journal, your planner, whatever you would like to do with it. So let's look at all this beauty. So these are the sticky back ephemera, and I love this. So I use this always in my journaling. And look at that rose. Isn't that gorgeous? It's just so pretty. And there's some more florals that go with it. Let's see here. Let me just see if I can get them. Yeah. And then here's this floral. Love that. Here's plants. Oh, like a coffee plant. I love that. That's cute. Look at that. The tea, coffee, and sugar. And then the cups. I love that. My husband and I were first married. I had a little thing and I hung our cups on the wall. It was so cute. And then here's just some neat books. Morning affirmations. Boss Babe. Today's interior. Oh, there you go. Decorating. And the coffee cup. Oh, look at that. I have not had one of these in, I don't know, a year or more. More than a year. Yeah, we need to make one. Yeah, so look at that. I love that bow. It kind of has a little plaid on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's so pretty. And then look at the coffee bean heart. I love that. And coffee. I love it. Oh my goodness. So now let's see what else is in this box. Oh, I see some candy. You know, I hide my candy and then I forget it's in here. And I literally have like a lollipop and gummies. I don't know what else I have in here, but I forget that she sends us candy and I hide it because I know my husband will eat it. Bless his heart. And yeah. I'm not being stingy. Ooh, look at the flex on this. I saw this. It is so stinking soft. Okay, now I've got to see how it writes. All right, there we go. A notepad. Let me see here. Oh, like butter. Ooh. Wow, what kind of tip is that? It's a 0.5 millimeter. And I don't think it's a ballpoint, is it? I think it is, but it almost writes like a felt tip. I don't know. If you guys know anything about this pen, tell me. It's amazing. Okay, and there's the information on it. So you guys tell me, it writes like a felt though, you know? Yeah. I love that. Yep, that's going in my planner. All right, and then, so she mentioned she had put these tweezers in. Oh, these are, they're made of plastic. That's neat. Planner sesh. That is neat. Oh, cute. Okay, that is fun. That's going straight over here in my supplies. Okay, and then she gave us this beautiful gold vinyl headers. I love that. And then, let's see here. Okay, oh, look at Boo Bear. She's so cute for the month. That is so cute. And then, oh, look, St. Patrick's Day, shamrocks and shenanigans. Oh, that's cute. That is so cute. Okay, all right, fun. Fun, fun, fun. We are at the point in the day where the sun is coming in on my eyes. So if you wonder why I'm having a hard time seeing. Oh, look at this month's paper pad. Gorgeous. I love the paper pads that she sends. I love these. I literally have a spot for them where I keep on my DEK. They have their own, you know, once I finish for that month. So I make sure I have them for the next year. They are so gorgeous. Okay, so now we are down to the main sticker kit. So let's take a look at all of that. Okay. Gorgeous. Okay, well, first off, it's foiled in gold, which is beautiful. Let me see. All right, and I'm blind right now because the sun's in my eyes. There we go. I'm feeling for the lid, the lift of it. Oh, this is gorgeous. Okay, guys, come back because I'm planning for the first time in my RS Stell. I cannot wait. I mean, this is perfect. It's almost like she knew. She didn't, but she, you know, I think it's gorgeous. I love that with the plant. You know, anything pink and green always floats my boat. And it's kind of like a peachy pink. So I really like, so there's pink and kind of that peachy tan. I really love how she brought all these colors together. Gorgeous. Ah, gorgeous. The weekend, the habit trackers, the scallop washi, and then the thin washi. The checklists, I love these. And then you get two little banners down here. So cute. Okay, then here's more headers. Here's glitter headers. And then there's just functional icons and then the dot dates. I love that, which I will use my dot dates. And then here are the stickies and then just more fun like banner boxes, however you want to use these. I use these in my journals all the time. I love them. Oh, look at the scallop. This is like the eyelet scallop and then the half scallop. I love, or the scallops. I love these. These are so beautiful. And then here's the banners, which you guys know how I use those. And I love that they're not directional, so I can do them upside down if I want. And then here's more of the beautiful decorative icons, which I love. Oh, she put a scale in. I know. Okay, washi. Look at the washi. Isn't that gorgeous? More functionals and then the days of the week. Super, super pretty. Glitter headers. You know, like functional headers. And then look at the girl working on her laptop. I love that. And more of my favorite scallops. Oh, beautiful. Look at all that glitter. Oh, so pretty. Ooh, looky. Lots of girls. Lots of different girls. And oh, she put a redhead. Yay, thank you, Dawn. Aw, this is so pretty. I love these. Oh, I love she did that. That's so neat. Oh, goodness gracious. I love the workout girls. They look like they're workout girls. I love the tea girls, tea and coffee. And I love the dressed up girls. Ooh, Happy Meal in the purse. That is so stinking cute. Cute, and I love succulents. Two more of the decorative. I love these. All right, and then they're back to, I just put it behind. So there is that. That is our planner kit portion. Amazing. All right, we're not done yet. I know. I know. So all you paper crafters, get ready. Because this is gorgeous. It's always gorgeous. Every month. This is the gorgeous part as well for us paper crafters. We love all of it. But it's gorgeous. Hold on. Look at that. The chocolate and the pink and the peach and the, love it. And then the back side. Oh, look at that plaid. Isn't that pretty? And that was on one of our stickers as well. looky here. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's got like a high finish. This would be a fantastic one to put in a journal. I love the coffee tea station, and I love that. And then this is blank, so you could easily put that in a junk journal. I love it. I noticed now some of the girls are talking more about junk journals. Yeah, man. I mean, this is wonderful. Their paper is, listen to the quality of that. It's amazing. And that one had like a slick finish on it. So you could almost even, this last page, you could almost use as a cover. Seriously. I mean, it's got such a good finish on it. It's a coated finish is what I'm trying to say. And I love this. I have one of these grinders. I painted mine blue, but that was when we were first married. So it's over 30, maybe 5 years old. Ooh, I love the back of this. That's neat. That is so pretty. That's just mixed media, and I love that. And I love the coffee beans. Now I just want a cup of coffee. I love this. I've been looking at stuff for our countertop in our kitchen. Our countertop is green, and it's an ugly dark green. And we've talked about replacing them forever. And I just thought, a lot of people are using the heavy, thick contact paper made to cover counters. And I thought I might just do that. I mean, it's $20 and we don't have a lot of counters, and I could cover it and it would just brighten up the kitchen for the spring. I don't know. But anyways, and I looked at one that it wasn't this, but it reminds me of it. I love that. That's pretty. Oh, now this would make a gorgeous cover too. All right. Ooh, that's pretty too. Look at the glitter. Okay, guys, this is the March DEK subscription box. So this is how it works. They take your order. I mean, you put in for a subscription box, and I mean, they're a phenomenal deal. They are just insanely affordable. And what they do is you pay 1 month and then you receive the next month. So the boxes come out at the end of the month. And I think if today's the 4th, it may have already closed, but you could get in for the May box now. So, and I highly recommend it. Hop in now, sign up for a box, and just wait, because it's going to be a blast. I mean, this is enough to do almost a month worth of planning. If you wanted to, you could easily stretch it out. You've got enough here for your planner lists. You've got extra goodies. You've got, if you're making journals, if you haven't figured this one out yet, which I'm sure you have because y'all are so much smarter than me, you can literally take this whole portion right here. So the pocket and the ephemera and even that card, and then this, and this could be your journal, your junk journal for the month if you do monthly. And of course, this is for the setup, and I always use these, and I use these always in my junk journal. So, and then the pen right down the middle, that could be either with the junk journal or your planner. And then candy, that's for you. So that's how I think of it. Oh, and I forgot, Angie gave us something pretty too, extra. That's neat. All right, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. Come on back. I'm going to decorate March. Super excited to get into this Aura Estelle. I've waited for my box. Now you know why I just couldn't wait for this box to get here. I couldn't wait because I want to do my March planning, and I want to break in my new planner, and I wanted to use this because it's so pretty. So, okay, friends, most importantly, I pray your day's blessed, creative, and lovely. Like, subscribe, leave a comment below. What do you guys think of this kit? I think it's gorgeous. And are any of you in the subscription boxes? I mean, let me know. Tell me how you're using your kit if you get the subscription box. And if you do decide you want to go sign up, there is a link below for ekdesigns.com. And please put in the comment section KRIS, and then they'll know I sent you. Also, I've got a discount code below that will give you 15% off of anything that is not a subscription box, because these are already an amazing deal financially. They are just, it's crazy what you get. And, but in anything not on special, because it's already reduced, but for everything else, you can get 15% off using my code down below. Okay? Okay, friends. Again, pray your day's blessed, creative, and lovely. Come on back. We're going to decorate March, and I'll be talking to you soon. Love y'all. Bye.